everybody. It's very cold outside.
Yeah,
It's below freezing. It's like 29 degrees out right now. And Karyn and I, you can see her in the background, kind of-ish, we are on our way to a paint and sip party for Sarah's birthday. I do not paint or sip, so this is bound to be interesting. Karyn paints but doesn't sip. Karyn, we can't hear you. Anyway, we're on our way in. I'm gonna try to film as much of this as I can. Don't know how that's gonna work out, but we'll see. See you inside. So how are you feeling? This is what we're supposed to be painting.
You're not painting that at all.
I will probably not be painting this at all.
Yeah, you're just here for the free canvas.
No, I'm here for the $35 canvas. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure out what we're supposed to do. This is Elyse getting in her little apron.
There's a Sharpie
found a Sharpie in her apron. The music selections are really good so far.
Aha. Flip it over.
There's the birthday girl. Well, no, that's the birthday girl's husband. That's the birthday girl. Saturday's cold. Saturday's cold. Happy birthday.
We're inside. I really like this lipstick. This is really good lipstick. Oh yeah, Karen's got a glass of milk. To be fair, Karyn has an entire half gallon of 2% milk.
The trick is going to be to not dip the paintbrush in the milk, and the tip is going to be you not putting your paintbrush in water. And both of those things are valid. Yeah. Oh, and I think the paint might.
And I already ate some, like an entire bag of those bacon cheese potato skin chips. And we had Chips Ahoy because we're 1,000 chips delicious. And I think this is good. This is starting out to be very interesting. We'll see how it goes. This is the canvas. It is a canvas. Ooh, I get to paint that. I get to paint that actually, but we'll see how that works out.
And we're going to take 2 scoops of black. Take from the edge of your paint. 2 scoops of black, 1 scoop of white.
Uh-oh.
Just make it bright.
Side, Elyse.
A nice oval shape left in the center there. I'm just going to do one last very quick thing here to help our backgrounds have a nice...
So I have a tree. Karyn, good job.
That he made, that on the TV is the original artist's version. He actually measured out the distances between each and every snowflake.
We are in whiteout conditions.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go
blizzard.
ahead and put in pictures of some individual groups. In the meantime, if you're all done with your painting, you're not doing anything else, I want you guys to do 2 things for me. First,
Here we go.
One right here, right in front of the room where the
I did that.
and one by the example painting at the front. Sonia and I do split whatever's in there, so thank you guys in advance.
And then Sarah's came out with the dinosaur. Karyn, show me yours.
It's a koala bear, it's a panda bear, it's a teddy bear.
Delightful. Well, I did it. I made a painting. Sarah made a painting. Karyn made a painting. Mike made a painting too. Oh, he's not going to show us.
Mike doesn't care. It's okay.
That's okay. I mean, I got a Christmas toucan, so that's something.
Yeah,
We had fun. We had fun. This was good.
I had so much fun.
This was wild. And it's always
They
good
noticed
to
we were plants early on. They're like, you guys are exempt. You don't belong
Yeah.
here. That's okay.
All right. Thanks so much for hanging out, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.